Hey guys, thanks for stopping on in and welcome back. Today's going to be a comprehensive video taking a look at Philo TV. So I'm going to describe exactly what this service is, how it works, what streaming devices you need to watch your Philo TV content, and then also going to be doing a review of the channels that you're getting as well as how the interface works within Philo TV as well. So a pretty comprehensive video here, starting off with what exactly is Philo TV. So it's another one of these streaming services that's quite different than your traditional satellite or cable television. There's no contract. You get a free trial period. You can cancel anytime, and you don't have to have the cable company or satellite TV company come out to your house and install any equipment. What you're going to be doing is utilizing your internet connection that you have, or you could also utilize the internet connection that you get through data on your cell device, but basically just utilizing that internet connection to have a cheaper option of streaming live television. So as you can see on the screen here, there's 40 channels for $16 a month, and then there's also a 49 channels for $20 a month offering. You're going to have to make some sacrifices, however, to get down to these affordable prices. And I'm not going to go through every single channel that you get or don't get with these, because I already made a video describing just that, which I'll link down in the video description, and I highly recommend you check it out if you want a deeper dive into exactly which channels you're going to be getting, as well as the most popular channels that aren't a part of the Philo TV lineup. But another thing to note here is you can get up to a 7-day free trial. First, it's a 2-day free trial, and all you have to do is give them your phone number. And then after that 2-day free trial, you can enter in your billing information to unlock another 5 days of free access. You can cancel before the week is up, and they will never charge your payment that you have on your profile. So I love these streaming services that offer you a chance to get a free trial so you can test out to see if you like their service. So basically, again, you have to utilize that internet connection and connect it through supported devices, and that's what we're going to be going to next in this video. So as you can see here, the supported devices are going to be media players that you can stream on your television. And these media players are going to be things like a Roku player, an Amazon Fire TV, an Apple TV 4th generation or later. But you also have the option of not just watching this content on your television through these media players applications. You can also watch it on your Mac or PC through a supported browser. And these browsers are going to be Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. And then also you can watch on your iOS device through their dedicated mobile application, or you can also watch it on your iOS device through one of those supported browsers as well. And then if you're on an Android device, you can watch using Google Chrome web browser, but unfortunately, they don't have a dedicated mobile application yet. But I wouldn't be surprised if at some point down the line that they bring a dedicated application to Android as well. So once you start up your free trial and you have your supported device all picked out and ready to go, the next thing that you're going to do is open up the interface and see exactly what we have going on here. So as you can see, I'm logged into my account and I saved one of my favorite shows here. It's pretty easy. So we're on the home page right now. You scroll down and you can get these different tiles. It shows what's trending right now, top shows, new upcoming shows, things like that. But then you can also go over to the live tab, and then it'll list every single channel in alphabetical order and exactly what's on at this point in time in tile form, which is kind of nice because it allows you to see the picture of what's going on with the television show, and you can just click the play button. Also, you can see the little line on the play button, the circle that's going around the outside. It shows you how far this program is in. You can also click the little plus button to add it over to your saved or favorites. So the next tab we're going to go over to here is the guide, and it's a little bit more of a traditional type of guide, but some tweaks. You can see all the channels across the top. You can heart your favorite channels as well, and then if you scroll up, you're going to go back in time. If you scroll forward, you're going to go, opposite of that. So if you scroll down, it's going to go back in time. If you scroll up, it's going to show you what's coming up in the future. And then also you can scroll side to side, which is going to get you to all the other channels that are a part of your Philo TV experience. But once you click that little plus mark on a particular show, which I did with Better Call Saul, it's going to go over into your saved file here as the last tab that we have the option to click on, and then you're going to have more easy access to your favorite shows. So a pretty easy to use interface here with Philo TV. I'm not going to launch any of the channels right now because if I have the channel's media playing on this video, then I'll get copyrighted noticed by YouTube. But it's pretty similar to other types of streaming services that you've maybe heard of, like Hulu TV, YouTube TV, Sling TV, PlayStation View. It's just offering a cheaper option by cutting out things, again, like local channels, sports channels, and network news stations as well. So that's pretty much going to wrap up this video, guys. In general, these streaming services I like much better than the traditional satellite and cable television providers because there's no strings attached. You can cancel anytime. You don't need to call them and set things up or have people come out to your house and install a bunch of expensive equipment. You own the equipment that you are going to be watching all of this Philo TV content on. So I definitely recommend you try it out if you aren't a fan of sports channels, cable news channels, as well as local channels, and you're just looking for a healthy selection of live streaming channels for an affordable price. So thanks, guys, for stopping on in. Subscribe for more. And again, if you're interested in getting that deep dive into the channel lineup for Philo TV, I will link that video that I made down in the video description. Also in that video, I list all of the most popular channels that aren't a part of this streaming package. So again, thanks for stopping on in. Subscribe for more. Hope to see you guys back here for future videos. Bye.